step-by-step guide on YouTube video optimization. Why is it very important? Without optimizing your videos, nobody will find it and nobody will watch it. Many people spend hours recording or creating the video, but without these critical components, the video won't get any result. After that, they blame algorithms or the audience for why they don't watch the video, instead of doing little preparation and making sure that their videos will be watched. To ensure your content reaches the right audience, you need to optimize each video effectively. This guide will walk you through the essential steps of YouTube video optimization. Important: none of these steps will change the video itself. Let me stress the importance, because I think most creators don't get it and they think I try to convince them to change their authentic content. This is not the case. If you have any video published, these steps will not change the video itself. However, they will increase how many people find your videos and how many people will click on the video and watch it. Without these steps, nobody will watch your videos. With these steps, your videos will be watched. Here are the steps to how to optimize a YouTube video. Step 1. YouTube keyword research. The first step to optimizing your YouTube videos is keyword research. Keywords that people use to search. By using the right keywords, you can increase visibility of your videos before a video. I use VidQ or TubeBuddy for keyword research. Step 2. Thumbnail. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see in the search result before they click on your video. Without a compelling thumbnail, people will not watch your video. A compelling thumbnail significantly increases your video views. Don't underestimate this component, otherwise your video will be hidden. Step 3. Title optimization. Your video title has to be catchy and include your primary keyword. This makes it easier for YouTube's search algorithm to understand what your video is about and who to show it to. Step 4. Description. The description below the video has to provide more information about the content and include your keywords. This helps YouTube and viewers understand the content of your video. Step 5. Tags. Tags help YouTube understand the content and context of your video and help it rank higher so you get better results. YouTube search algorithm. Use relevant tags that include your keywords. Without relevant tags, the right audience can't find your videos. Step 6. Captions and subtitles. Captions and subtitles make your videos accessible to a wider audience who speak different languages, and they also help YouTube understand the content of your video so it can rank higher. Step 7. Chapters. Chapters allow viewers to navigate through your video content easily. They can also improve your video's search engine optimization. You can use YouTube's built-in feature to add chapters. Step 8. Cards. Cards can promote your other content or encourage viewers to watch the next video. It can increase how much a viewer spends on your channel, and YouTube rewards you with higher ranking. You can use YouTube's built-in feature to add cards. Step 9. End screen. End screens guide viewers to more of your content or encourage them to subscribe to your channel. You can use YouTube's built-in feature to add an end screen. Step 10. Playlist. Playlists can group your videos together based on a theme or series. This leads to increased watch time and viewer engagement. Again, use YouTube's built-in feature to create playlists. Step 11. Schedule timing and publishing. This step is optional but can be useful as you grow. Publishing your videos at the right time can lead to higher initial viewership. Don't just publish videos randomly. analyze your YouTube metrics to understand when your audience is most active on YouTube. By following these steps, you can optimize your YouTube videos effectively, leading to increased visibility and engagement. Want to learn more? Join my mailing list by clicking the link below.